Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing issue 88 of our R2 build. We have our parts right here, and it looks like we're going to be working on the base of the body here. But let's go ahead and crack it open and see what we got. And here are the parts we get with this issue. We have the bottom panel, the access panel, a flexible plate, a top hat washer, a charging socket, the main switch, a couple of screws here, and a brand new screwdriver. Alright, to kick this puppy off, we're going to take the access panel here, and we'll take the flexible plate. Pretty sure it doesn't matter which way it goes. I'm going to slide it over to this, and we're going to take the washer, and we will slide that over, and we're going to secure it in place with one of the 4mm flanged black screws. Alright, and with that in place, we're going to take the bottom panel here. We're going to line it up with this flexible plate here so that those holes line up, and we're going to use two more of those flanged black screws to hold it in place. Alright, and with that in place, it looks like this will slide in and out just fine. Alright, next up we're going to take the charging cable here, and we're going to go ahead and put it in right in there. And you can see it is keyed, so it can only go in the one way. And we're going to use two 6mm screws here and here to hold it in place. Alright, look at that. Nice and flush and ready to go. Alright, next up we want to fit the power switch here, and we want to make sure that it is in the line position. That's the off position, and we want to slide this in so that the line is facing the edge here. And we'll just push it in so that the clips on either side hold it in place. Is ready to go. And last but not least, we want to take these 9mm screws with the smooth shank there. We're going to screw them in from this side on the access panel. Now what's supposed to happen is once the threads get through, this thing should catch the screw and hold it in place. Yep, right along the shank so that the screws don't come out. I'm guessing this is so that you can screw the panel in to the body and unscrew it when you need access without worry of losing these screws. Alright, and there we go. That completes this stage. And there we go, stage 88 is complete. We are clearly working on the bottom of R2 and starting to work on the power switch charging port, so I'm guessing the power supply is going to be coming real soon. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.